Well, it is a Wildcat Wednesday, and this morning we are out here at the Farlington State Fish Hatchery. We're joined by James and Adaven with K-State Wildcat Extension. It's a little chilly, but I'm excited to be out here with you guys because we're talking pond management. Is that right? Explain, when we hear the term pond management, what does that mean?
Pond management covers everything from stocking ponds, fish management, feeding fish, as well as controlling aquatic plants, and also it can include pond construction and maintenance.
So when we talk about how to be a good pond manager, these are private ponds we're specifically talking about here. What are the main keys to being a successful pond manager?
And so a large part of it is weed control. That's probably the main question that we get.
Okay.
And so with weed control, you're kind of looking at various herbicide options. Maybe you're looking at a biological control, like a grass carp or something like that. And also when it comes to the fish species that you're putting into the pond or which fish species you currently have.
Now, David, I know you and James have put together this program that Wildcat Extension's offering about pond management. Can you explain who's going to be there, who's going to be involved, what's happening?
Yeah, May 4th and 5th, we'll have 2 pond management workshops coming up. We have a really great lineup of speakers. Dan Mosier will be one of the speakers. He'll be talking about pond stocking and fish feeding and management. We also have the wildlife specialist from K-State coming down to talk about aquatic weed and plant control. And then we'll also have the NRCS office joining us to talk about pond construction.
Awesome. All right, well, we're going to have that info on our website. Is there anything else people should know about this program?
The program is free. The first one will be on May 4th, and that'll be in Independence, and the second one on May 5th, and that will be in Humboldt at the Neosho River Park.
Awesome. James, David, thank you guys so much. We appreciate you. We're going to be speaking with Dan Mosier II here at the hatchery in a little bit, so don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News after this.